We live in a world more connected than ever, yet so many of us feel utterly alone. We scroll through endless feeds, past strangers in crowded cities, and build walls, sometimes without even noticing. Have you ever wondered if there's a different way to live? What if Africa holds a wisdom the world desperately needs? Ubuntu, pronounced Ubuntu. It means I am because we are. In the languages of Zulu and Xhosa, Umuntu, ngumuntu, ngabantu. It's not just a saying, it's a way of seeing yourself in every other person. Imagine a place where your joy is my joy, your pain is my pain, where the line between me and we blurs into something beautifully human. Western philosophy often says, I think, therefore I am. But Ubuntu whispers something different. We exist through each other. Picture a quiet village at dawn. Neighbors gather to build a new home. Hands working side by side. A meal is cooked, not just for one, but for all who are hungry. A stranger arrives and is welcomed with warmth, because in Ubuntu, every guest is family. When conflict arises, Ubuntu guides justice, not to punish, but to heal. Elders listen. Stories are shared. And the goal is always to restore harmony, not create winners and losers. When a child succeeds, the whole village celebrates, knowing their fates are tied together. These aren't just traditions, they're daily acts of care. A woman shares her last maize with a neighbor. Young men help an elder cross a muddy path. Ubuntu lives in these moments. But Ubuntu isn't just for rural villages or the past. Imagine businesses where success means lifting up entire communities, not just shareholders. Leaders who serve first, building trust and purpose together. What if, in our daily lives, we chose empathy over judgment? When we see someone struggle, we remember their well-being shapes our own. Even across oceans, Our destinies are linked. Ubuntu is African at its roots, but its branches reach the world. So we stand at a crossroads. Do we keep building higher walls, or do we choose to build longer tables? On this channel, we believe in Pan-African uplift, collective flourishing, not just individual survival. The future belongs to the we. This week, how will you practice Ubuntu? Share your story below and subscribe to join a community that believes in rising together. Because I am, because we are.